Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure Docker Desktop is running and reachable. Once done, check Preferences for resource limits so containers have enough CPU and RAM. Next, sign into Docker Hub or pick a local image. This matters because permissions and image access differ. Then pull the image. Either click Pull in the Docker Desktop catalog or open a terminal and run docker pull image name tag. This fetches the image layers and prepares them locally for the next step. Once the image is present, create the container and configure its behavior. In the desktop UI, choose run/create, then add port mappings like 8080, 80 so the app is reachable. Alternatively, use docker run p8080, 80 image name. Make sure to mount volumes for persistent data, add environment variables for configuration, and set labels if needed. Also decide restart policy and resource limits. These prevent crashes or resource hogging. Double-check network mode so the container can reach required services. Now start the container and confirm it's running. Use the desktop start button or run docker run with your configured flags, then docker ps to verify status. To check behavior, open Docker Desktop logs or run Docker logs container name to see startup output. This tells you if ports bound correctly or if envars are missing. To finish, stop with Docker stop and remove with Docker rm when done. If something fails, first inspect logs for missing files or permission errors, and then rerun with corrected mounts or env settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.